Leaderboards can be a fun way to drive competition among your players. They're also great to display on a large TV during your tournament, camp, combine, or showcase event. Leaderboards are exciting for both parents and fans as they get a good visual of their athletes' performance. SkillShark leaderboards are customizable and display live data at your event. This means the data is displayed instantly after a score is given. Let's get started. To create your leaderboard, you must be on the All-Star or Legend tier. Please follow along and build your own as we go. It's important to note that leaderboards are generated from weighted reports. We'll show you exactly how this works in this video. Select Leaderboards from the left-hand menu. Now click Create Weighted Report. Here we are going to build a weighted report so that we can create our first leaderboard. You might want to show top players, in which case you would toggle on all positions, including the metrics you want to show. In our case, we only want to show top hitters. Now toggle on the positions and metrics you would like to show. Now that we've turned on our metrics, we want to create a weighting for them using our own philosophies. For example, for hitting, we would like to have more importance on bat exit velocity since it's an objective measurement, and less importance on contact, power, and mechanics since those metrics are subjective. All scores for this particular leaderboard will be generated using these settings. Now go ahead and click Create Report. Your first weighted report is now created, so we can now use it to generate our leaderboard. Select Leaderboards from the left-hand menu again. Now click Create Leaderboard. Next, name your leaderboard. This one is called Top Hitters. Now, review your events. Select all the events you would like to display for your leaderboard. This can be one event or a combination of events. Next, you can toggle on or off public access. If left on, anyone with the link can view the leaderboard. Now it's time to create views for your leaderboard. You must create at least one view, but you have the ability to create as many as your organization needs. For example, you might want to have separate views for different age groups. In our case, we are building a leaderboard for top hitters, and we want to create two different views. Our first view will only show rankings for 2011 girls, so we'll name it accordingly. Next, we'll select the weighted report we created earlier for top hitters. Then click Add Player Filters. These filters allow you to customize your view based on player lists or teams. You can select one or multiple player lists and teams based on which players you want to be shown in each view. In our case, we will select the 2011 girls player list. Please note, you can also set a player limit. For example, if the limit is set to 20, only the top 20 players will appear in the leaderboard rankings. This can help support athlete confidence by limiting the visibility of low rankings. Next, we're going to go through the same steps to create our second view for this leaderboard. This view will be for 2011 boys. Let's name our view, select our weighted report, and select the 2011 boys player list. We will also set a player limit of 20 on this view. Once all your views are set up, click Create Leaderboard. You will see the top hitters leaderboard is now live. Before we click View, please note, after you've created your leaderboard, you still have the ability to go back in and edit your views. You can also share the leaderboard by clicking on the three dots here and selecting Copy Link. You can use this unique link to share or access your leaderboard at any time. The link is public, meaning anyone you send it to can easily view the leaderboard. It also makes it easy to display on a smart TV, projector, or website. Now click View to access your leaderboard. Here you can see the player rankings for each of your views. As you can see, only the top 20 players are shown in each view because of the player limits we set. If you select Auto Cycle, the leaderboard will continuously cycle through rankings for each of your views. At the top, it will tell you which view you are on and which view is coming next. The leaderboard will update in real time as more scores are entered at your event. Let's take a look at the settings for more customization options. You can customize the number of players per page, the cycle speed, and the page zoom level. You also have the ability to enter full screen mode. Lastly, there's an option to show or hide the QR code on the leaderboard. If enabled, anyone who scans it can view the leaderboard on their device.